Hello guys. You just came to watch this video and you are ready to win life, if you watch this until the end. No one can stop you from making a difference in yourself. Let me show you how to get rich quick with just a few simple plans. Stop moving aimlessly from this moment. The journey we are on is only for a purpose. We need a few things to achieve that goal. M.J. DeMark, author of the book Millionaire, says there are 3 ways to reach his goal. Number 1 is walking, number 2 goes in a cart, number 3 goes on a plane. Let us now explain these 3 methods. The number 1, pedestrian, is what we call sidewalker. Unfortunately, they are the ones we see the most in our society. These people choose a high-paying job as their basic income. It does not matter to them how much money they get. Their only pleasure is to spend. These guys have no goal, they think only of today. Number 2, slow learner. They see their main source of income as the head of their institution, always want to save as much money as possible. He lives on a lower level than anyone else who normally earns his income. He likes to spend time making money. He wants to get a very high salary. His only goal is to save a lot of money when he retires. Number 3, fast learner. They see it as their business and investment income. They think there is enough money in the world. They always think that the consumer is their income. They spend very little and always like to do something new. They are looking for ways to make money even when they are asleep. Okay guys, now you have to choose one of these: sidewalk, slow learner, fast learner. I suggest you choose the faucet learner. It is the best and fastest way to get rich, because such people are the most successful in the world. From now on, start thinking like a fast learner. Okay, let me tell you now how a fast learner thinks and works. Suppose you do a job, it doesn't matter. While doing the job or after work hours, there are many ways to become rich in this universe. All we have to do is connect with the universe. Get a piece of paper and a pen, make a note of the number 1 piece of paper. Write down your skills you know, now write them down in numerical order. That means you can do well and your favorite ability should be number 1. Okay, get another piece of paper, make a note of the number 2 on the paper, write down what you think you can do even if you can't. Now study carefully what you have written in both these papers. I suggest you put the number 2 paper aside, and pick up the number 1 paper. I think you should focus on the number 1 note on the number 1 paper, because that is your best ability. For example, let's say your ability is drawing. Let's see how to turn this ability into an income. Your ability to price must be connected to the universe. Make an easy time for this, but it must be past 9 at night. Get out of the house and sit where you can see the sky. The mind is relaxed. Close your eyes and wait 3 minutes. Ask the universe what picture you must draw. Ask for 7 minutes. If you do not receive an answer within those 7 minutes, don't worry, do the same the next day. You will definitely get an answer within 3 days, otherwise you will get the answer in a dream. The answer is to show your mind the picture you should to draw. Draw your picture according to the answer. Okay. Let's say you're done drawing now. Tell the universe the same way: thank you so much dear universe. Thank the universe for that. Okay, your painting should be priced now. Remember to put a special price on your first sale. That means the buyer needs to feel that the price of your painting is high. Now rejoin the universe as before. Ask the universe to let the whole world know about your painting. Tell the universe until it sells. Your painting will sell in a way you never imagined. In this way, you can sell your talent and become a big business. Do not forget to thank the universe at all times. Good luck to you.